Autodesk Inventor, working with assemblies. On this video, the items that I'm working with, they're all round. This is a whiteboard marker. I'm going to go ahead and work on getting that assembled. So we do have a box here that has a parts list and an expanded view. We're just going to work on getting it assembled right now. Click on File, New, and I want to go to a standard assembly. If you look here on Place, this will place my parts in there, but you also have some options. You can place things from the Content Center. That'll have screws, nuts, bolts, and that. But I want to go place from parts that I made, so I'm going to type in marker, and I'm looking for the marker body IPT. So there's the IPT for the body. I click Open, place that on there. And if you look, it's following my mouse around, so I can drop more of those in there if I want to, but I'm going to say no, I'm done. If you look at this, this is a little bit hard to see on this white background with the white body. I'm going to show you something that you can do. I'm going to go up to File, go to Options, and I'm going to go to High Contrast Mode. I like to stay in the single color mode for making it easier for students to see what's going on. I click Apply and Close. That's a little bit easier. So place the other pieces in here of the marker. I need the marker. There's a felt piece that goes with it. Click on the felt, open that up, place the felt in there. I don't have to click out of this. I can just click on the box for the next piece and go marker again, just typing that in to help browse through things. Going to get the cap that covers up the back end so the felt doesn't dry out. Put that in the drawing. Grab another part, which would be the cap. The top cap marker, and brings it into top cap, and I go OK. Bring that in there. I'm now going to constrain these pieces. I right click and tell it OK. I'm going to constrain these people. I go to these pieces. I click on Constrain. I've got different options for what I'm going to do. If I have a round piece going into a round piece, that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to take this felt piece and I'm going to put it into that body. Now, when I go to do this, I'm going to click here and it puts the felt in there. And because I have a little bit of experience with this, I'm going to change my view to see the inside of that, and you can see it's not all the way in, so I'm going to tell it to go in there. I know that it's got to go about 2 3/4 inches in, but if you look, it's going the wrong direction. So I'm going to go to the beginning of what I put in for a dimension, put in negative, and it puts it right in there. I look at my view cube, you can see the felt sticking out with the felt in the body. I click Apply. I click Home. I now want to put this cap inside the body. I'm going to turn off this view. I've got a lot of extra lines in there, making it maybe a little confusing. So I'm going back. I'm still in my constraint command, still on Insert. I'm going to say, let's take this right here, and we're going to put it in the back side here. Now if you look, it's actually in there the wrong direction. I have some controls up here with solutions that will change my alignment. So I just click on these, gives me an option there, put that in the correct way, click Apply. Still on the Insert command, I put the top cap on, everything's on center lines. When we start putting things together, we've always got to be able to say, where is this plane surface part at in the X, Y, and Z axis? On round objects, the center point gives us 2 of those axes. The third one we're determining. I click Apply, and I now have my marker is put together.